or for this portion of lesson 6, we're going to be using select and mask and select subject. So here, the first thing we need to do is to go to select, select and mask. This dialog box will turn up, and we have a different views that we can work in. So we go under view, and we have marching ants, overlay, on black, on white, black and white, on layer. We're going to be working in overlay, and then we're going to choose, for the refine mode, we're going to choose color aware, and we could go to object aware, and then it'll ask us in the dialog box if we're going to okay. But we want to do content aware, press OK. Then we're going to use a quick selection mask. We're going to use at a size of 15. And then we go under select subject. And we can see, if we zoom in the area here using our quick keys command plus, that we missed that the select subject mode missed a little bit of objects or a little bit of her shirt. So we're going to go ahead and use, once again, the quick selection, quick key W, and select that area that was missed. Now, if you go over, you have an option to do minus sign, and the quick selection turns to a negative. So here, I got a little bit over, so I want to go plus and select a little bit of her shirt.